Hi, welcome back to my channel IT Cheer Up. Continue to share my DevOps Engineer Certification learning journey. In the last video, after exam recap, I shared Google Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer Certification exam tips. Now let's continue the after exam recap video part 2. Deep dive into the exam topics from the learning materials based on the questions in the exam. Now let's revisit the learning materials based on the exam. I felt I spent too much time on some of the exam topics that did not appear in the exam or just some basic questions. The others I thought I already learned comprehensively but still weren't clear with the answers. So in this video, I will share the actual links that I strongly suggest you read before your exam because these links will help you to answer the exam questions. Keep in mind, my lesson learned is based on the 15 questions that appear in my exam. If you have any knowledge gaps on the DevOps after your knowledge gap assessment, then you still need to learn them to make sure you can do it in your job as a true DevOps engineer instead of just passing the certification. If SRE is new to you, then you definitely need to read the Site Reliability Workbook. If you already have software development and production support experience, then just read the actual links I list here, especially developing a Google SRE culture course and SRE virtual launch and learn. Pay attention to the Q&A part of a SRE virtual launch and learn. It did provide answers for at least 3 questions in my exam. There are no hands-on related questions or production issues on the third-party CI/CD tools or the tools for the Google Cloud Operations Suite, such as Jenkins, Terraform, Datadog, Splunk, Grafana. Just some basic questions on those tools. So I don't think you need to read some actual document from this tool's website. I didn't even have a question on Prometheus. So you just focus on the document from Google Cloud on how to integrate these tools with Google Cloud, except Kubernetes secrets from a Kubernetes website. In Google Cloud's Operations Suite, formerly Stackdriver, pay attention to the Operations Suite on GKE, VPC flow logs, custom and external metrics, troubleshooting, access control, and security. If you have more questions on Operations Suite, please leave your comments and stay tuned for the last-minute cheat sheets of Operations Suite. The last actual links that you should review before the exam are the links from Google Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer sample questions. Those links helped me solve several questions in the exam. You can get the full list of learning materials and actual links from my training site, and stay tuned for deep dive for some topics in the DevOps. Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe to my channel for more great cloud computing learning tips. See you next time.